What is going on, you guys? Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I am showing you guys the number one way on how to get free gems in Clash of Clans. This app is called Cash for Apps. If you already have it, it's awesome. If you don't have it, I'm going to show you how to download it and everything to do. So this is what it is. If you know those apps like AppNana and Feature Points and stuff like that, those ones are absolutely terrible. It takes like a month or more just to get a $10 card. I have had Cash for Apps for about a week and a half, and I have already gotten one of the $5 cards, which is 2,000 points, and I'm already at 662. So already almost back up to that, well, not almost, but like close to halfway back up to that 2,000. Like, it's just insane on how quick you can get these offers done. So let's get into this. What you are going to be doing is downloading these apps. So for example, Born to be Rich slot machine. You download the app, or you click the link, then it'll bring you to the App Store. You download the app, put your passcode in for your Apple ID, it'll download, you go into it for 30 to 60 seconds, and then it'll notify you saying that you've received your points, and then you can just delete the app right off your device. It is by far the number one way to get free gems in Clash of Clans. So, for example, let's do Cupcake Mania. I haven't done this one. I'll walk you guys through it. So you hit download. Wait for it to load. It'll bring you through a bunch of various websites. Then it brings you right to the App Store. And then you click Get, and then Install. And then you put your Apple ID in, or your password for your Apple ID in. Alright, so now that it is downloaded, what you're going to do is you go into it for 30 to 60 seconds, you just play it do any tutorials, and then just go right back into Cash for Apps, and it'll give you that 15 points that you could get for it. So I'm not going to bore you guys, so I'll just go back into Cash for Apps, and show you the one most important thing. So what you're going to want to do when you download this app, it is going to say, were you invited? The invite code that you need to put in when it says that is this one. I've got it on big letters on the screen right now. It is super important that you put that in once you download it, and then go download all the apps you can do and get all your points for your rewards. So some of the rewards you can get are iTunes cards, Amazon cards, Google Play cards, Best Buy, GameStop, Xbox, Starbucks, Walmart, eBay. There's just so many different things you can get. Just remember to put in this code right here when you get invited. So now I'm going to show you guys actually how to download the app. Okay, so once you're in Safari, make sure you download Cash for Apps in Safari. It doesn't work in any other browser except for Safari. So what you do, you type in just into Google, Cash for Apps, and if you're on iOS, it's going to be this top link here that just says Cash for Apps. But if you're doing this from on Android, you can actually just go into the Google Play Store and download it from there. It's an actual app on the Google Play Store. And don't worry, there's no risk in downloading it. It's 100% virus free. So I'll just walk you through on iOS because this might be a bit more challenging. All you do, you just go to the Cash for Apps, the website, just the first header. And then all you have to do is hit Get for iOS. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to install Cash for Apps by whatever the developer is? You just say yes, install, and then once you actually open up Cash for Apps, it'll say trust or don't trust. You have to say trust if you want to do these great offers, but if you don't say trust, it's just not going to let you. But there's nothing to worry about. It's 100% legit. Like I said, I've already got one of those $5 cards. So if you just hit trust, you'll be good to go. And then as soon as you hit trust and open up the app, it'll say, are you invited? And that is where you put up that code that was on the screen earlier. And I'll put it down in the description below, in case you have any trouble just remembering it or going back in the video. So yeah, that is all you guys are gonna have to do to get free gems. This is so efficient, it's ridiculous. No matter what any other YouTuber says, what other app downloader stuff, this is by far the number one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, that would be great, and just make sure to do this. Peace out.